Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell phone cases on Etsy with Printify. First, you'll need to create a free Printify account and link it to your Etsy shop. This integration allows for seamless order fulfillment. Printify offers a wide range of phone case models for various brands, giving you plenty of options to start your unique product line. It's a fantastic way to begin your print-on-demand journey with minimal upfront investment and maximum creative freedom. Once your accounts are connected, dive into designing your phone cases. Printify's user-friendly design tool lets you upload your artwork and create stunning mock-ups. Consider offering designs for popular phone models like the latest iPhone and Samsung Galaxy devices to reach a broader audience. Experiment with different styles and themes to find your niche. Remember, high-quality designs are key to attracting customers and standing out in a competitive marketplace. With your designs ready, it's time to publish them to your Etsy shop. Printify makes this process straightforward, automatically syncing your products. When setting your prices, factor in Printify's production costs, Etsy fees, and your desired profit margin. Optimize your listings with strong keywords in titles and tags to improve search visibility. Clear product descriptions and attractive photos are crucial for converting browsers into buyers. To boost your sales, focus on marketing your new phone cases. Utilize Etsy's built-in search engine optimization by researching relevant keywords. Promote your shop on social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, showcasing your unique designs. Excellent customer service is also vital. Respond promptly to inquiries, and ensure a smooth buying experience. Consistent effort in these areas will help your phone case business thrive and grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.